Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll discuss Oracle subquery languages. So let's begin the video. So first is DDL. So DDL stands for Data Definition Language, which comprise of sub queries like create, and next we have alter, and next we have drop, and last is truncate. So these are the subqueries in DDL, that is data definition language. Then second we have DML. Now DML stands for data manipulation language. So again this comprises of subqueries like insert, then next update, then next delete, and last merge. So we will be discussing these subqueries in detail. So now next DCL. So DCL stands for data control language, which consists of a grant, next revoke, next subquery language TCL. TCL stands for transaction control language, which consists of a commit, then b rollback, and c save point. So this is TCL, that is transaction control language. And last is DRL. So DRL stands for data retrieval language, retrieval language. So in this we have only one command, that is select. So already we have learned this select command in the previous video. So during creation of the table we have used this select command. So now let's explain or explore these commands in detail. So first, that is DDL, that is data definition language. In this, first we'll see about create command. So I think in the last video we have created a simple table. I hope you have gone through the video. If you have not gone through the video, you can watch the previous video in which we have created the table by using this command, create command. So let's try to create a simple table. So create table. So let us write name as emp underscore details. Next line into bracket column name. So emp underscore number. Already we have discussed the different data types. So emp number will be having number data type with size. Let's take it as 10. Next e name, which is having data type as varchar2 with size, let's take as 50. So let's try to create a table which is having two columns. So create table, let us fire the query. So by selecting the query, we can fire the query. Oops. Okay, name is already used. Okay, fine. So we'll rename the table. Already we have created the table of same name. So I am giving emp details 1. Okay, so table emp details 1 has been created. So how to see the video? See the table. Select star from emp underscore details 1. So you can see the table which is created. So this is table. So emp name and emp number, there are two columns. So this is command number 1, which is create command. So likewise we can create a table. Already we have explored in much detail about this create command. So you can go through the previous video. So second is alter. Now let's see how this command is used to modify the table. So alter. Now by using this alter command, we can add a particular column into this table. So let's try to add the particular column. So alter. So syntax is alter table. Now table name emp underscore details 1. Next line add. So we are going to add columns. So emp number and name is present. So let's try to add salary. So SAL is salary, which is having data type number. Let's take 10 size, comma. Let's try to add one more column, that is address, which is having data type as varchar 2, of size let's take 100, bracket complete and semicolon. So now by using this alter command, we are trying to add data into this table. So let's fire the query. Yes, so you can see the output table emp details altered. So let's see the result. So how to see the result? Select star from emp details. So fire the query, you can see the two columns we have added. So salary and address, you can see here. Sorry, the spelling, I think spelling should be ADDREWS. Yes, fine. Okay, it is showing column being already exist. Okay, we have fired it twice. No, not an issue. Okay, we'll edit that column further. Okay, fine. So let's view the table. So this is table. We have added these two columns, that is salary and address. So we'll correct this spelling, that is address. Okay. So this is that command, that is alter command, through which we can add the additional columns. Now next, in this alter command, again further we have, so this is in alter command, sub command is add. So first we discussed add command. So let's write here. So first was add. So we have used here add command. Now in alter, again there is sub command, that is modify. So let's see how we are modifying. So in alter only we are in the alter command. So main command is alter. In alter we have added one column. Now let's see how we are going to modify. Now modify, let's try to rename this address. So how we are modifying? Alter table emp underscore details, that is table name 1. Next line, modify. So we are modifying into bracket column name. Which column we are going to modify is that address column. Or let's modify the salary column so that we can change the data type. In the further in the next query, I will explain you about the how to rename this address. So modify. So let's modify the salary data type of the salary column. So alter table emp details, modify sal, and data type. We can modify data type or we can change the size. So again the salary data type was number. So let's try to modify the size. So in the previous case we have used, here you can see in the this query we have used size as 10. Now we, if we are supposed to increase the size, we can use modify command so that we can increase the size. So let's try to fire the query. So if I fire the query, you will see the output. So table AMP details has been altered. So the same output will be shown here. Now next, third is rename. Now let's see how to rename the address column. So let me first take a view of the table. So this is the view. So we are going to rename. So again we are in the same command, that is alter command. So this is the main command in which we are discussing. So in alter command the sub command is rename. So alter table emp underscore details 1. Then what we are interested is, we are interested in renaming the column. So rename into bracket old column name. So what is our old column name? You can see here a double t a double d t r e double s. So a double t double d t r e double s is old name. We are interested to change old name to a double d r e double s. So this is the correct spelling and semicolon. So let's try to run this query. So if I run this query, you will see the output. Okay, I think there is some error. So missing alter table emp details 1 rename. Okay, so there is one syntax. You should write your column. So the column should be the keyword column should be written here. So alter table emp details 1 rename column address address to address. So let's fire this query. So if I fire the query, so there was error in this query. So the bracket should not be there. So we were supposed to add bracket over here. So after removing the bracket, if we run the query, you will see table emp details altered. Okay, so let's see the altered table. Okay, so now you can see the correct spelling. So a double d r e double s. So initially the spelling was wrong. So by using alter command and rename command, we have renamed the column. So likewise we can rename the particular column. Now next is, in this particular alter command, again there is a drop. So fourth is a drop. So now what is the use of this drop? Let's see. Now, so this is our table. You can see employee number is there, e-name, salary, address. So we can drop or we can delete a particular column. So let's suppose we are going to delete this address, column address. So we can fire a query like alter. So again we are in the alter command. So drop is subquery of alter. So alter table, emp details, one. Next line, drop column and the name of column. So address. So we are interested to delete this particular column. So let's try to run this query. So if I run this query, you will see table is altered. Now let's try to view the table. So select star from emp details. So if I run this query, you will see the address is removed. So likewise, we can delete the particular column by using this drop command. Now next, so this was all about first query, that is second query, that was alter. Now next, let's see third query, that is drop, that is C. So drop. What is the use of drop? Again, by using this drop, we can delete entire table. So likewise, as we seen here, we have deleted the salary. We can delete entire table. So syntax for this is drop table, table name emp underscore details one. Next line, semicolon. So if you fire this query, entire table will be dropped. So I'm not dropping now. So I will show you this command at the end of the video, so that again I have to work on this table. So I'm not dropping this table. Now next command is truncate. Again, truncate is command which is used again to delete the table. Now what is difference between drop and truncate? Let me write first truncate. Truncate. So truncate, again the syntax for it is truncate table and table name emp underscore details one. So what is difference in truncate? If we fire this truncate, then data will be deleted permanently. Data will be permanently. Data will be deleted permanently. And if we use drop command to delete the table, data will not be deleted permanently. So we are able to roll back, means the data can be retrieved back. So the data will be stored, or rollback is possible. I can write here, or rollback is possible. So this is major difference between drop and truncate. So let's use drop. So if I fire this query, let's try to fire this query, drop table emp details 1. So if I fire this query, you will see emp table has been dropped. Now let's try to view the table. So select star from employees. No, the table is not found. So you will get an error. See, the table or view does not exist. Means we have deleted the table by using this drop. Now let's try to recover the table. So to recover table, we have flashback table emp underscore details 1, 2 before drop. So if we use this command, let's try to run this command. Okay, it is showing some error. Let me fix the error. Actually, this table has been deleted from recycling. So you should keep in mind the basic difference between drop and truncate. So in drop, the rollback is possible. So the table which you have deleted, you can retrieve it back. And in truncate, the data all that or the table will be deleted permanently. So these are all the basic commands which we discussed so far regarding DDL. So that is data definition language. So let's take a quick review. So first we discussed regarding create. So in create we have created a table. So two columns we have inserted employee number and employee name. So likewise we have again used select command. Then in alter command there are sub commands like add, modify, rename and drop. So these commands like add is used to add a particular column, extra column into the existing table. Then modify is used to modify the data type, or we can say the size of data type of particular column. Then rename is used to rename the column, like we have renamed the address which was correction in the spelling to address. Then drop, which is used to delete an entire column. So again we have deleted address. Then next we have discussed regarding drop and truncate. So this was all about DDL, that is data definition language. I hope this video finds well. If you have any queries, you can write a comment in the comment box. So let's meet in the next video. So thank you for watching and have a wonderful day. So thank you one and all.